This video guide will help you to remove the browser notifications coming from the site Eofgreatbrib.xyz. Eofgreatbrib.xyz. Some people may suddenly notice these pop-ups to attack their browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, and other popular browsers, and these pop-ups are extremely dangerous. They try to infect your browser with the feature of extremely annoying web push notifications. The website indicates that you need to tap the special Allow button, supposedly to verify your age or to prove that you are not a robot. In reality, when people mistakenly agree with that proposal and click on Allow, the browser gets hijacked. People may be forwarded to some other sites that promote potentially unwanted software, for instance, adware, browser hijackers, and so on. And on top of that, they will start facing the great number of advertisements that will be displayed in the right bottom part of the screen as intrusive push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on that Allow button, be sure to implement some browser fixes. Access the menu of your browser, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. In Permissions, select Notifications and research the list of the sites that are allowed to send notifications. Carefully examine this area and delete any malicious sites you might find here on the list. And I recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. So download the software and start researching your system with its help. Once you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threads are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while, it depends on how infected your computer is, but pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. And you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific thread manually, one thread at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threads automatically.